Thai red curry fried tilapia. Oh, this is so good. And yes, that's fried tilapia, fried fish. You can use any other fish like carabao or like galunggong. Here it is on my plate. Oh yeah, with Thai red curry sauce. This is so good. Let's start. Recipe will be in the description below. Right? We got 3-piece eggplant, some Thai red curry paste, some onions, garlic, and ginger. Yes, we go to the frying pan because we gotta fry the fish first. We gotta get, oh, sorry. Let me push the stove a bit. We gotta fry the tilapia really good, like so it's crispy. All right. And there's a there's a way we fry it crispy. We'll show you here. Yes, we use all this oil here. Get the oil hot. There's the container for the used oil, the frying oil that we use for fish. And sorry, you didn't get to record it, but we put the fish there. So we gotta keep waiting until it's bubbling less. Because when it's bubbling less, that's when you know it's already getting cooked. Then that's the only time we turn it. So that's a few minutes, like 3 to 4 minutes. Here, my maid is like trying to hold the pan a bit sideways, just to make sure everything is submerged well. We can put more oil, but the oil that we use for fish, so we try to minimize using a lot of oil. Here it is. You see the is bubbling less now. That's getting, oh, it smells so good. Yep, now it's getting cooked closely. All right, now it's time to turn it. Look at that. And now it's bubbling again, so we wait a bit. And just a few minutes later, oh, it's good now. Yes, so crispy. Yes, this is how you like it. So that when we start with the sauce, it maintains its crisp, but it's together. Careful it doesn't splash down or fall. Look at the oil. We have to drain it good. Now we put it in the sieve. Just let it to drip oil. The next batch of fish now. Keep the oil hot. Yes. You can see it's bubbling hard and bubbling strongly. And the later it's gonna bubble less. That means getting more cooked. There you go. That's the last piece. So there's a 6-piece tilapia. Lunch for the whole family. Alright. My maid decided to put the potato cubes that we're gonna add onto it to start frying it first. This way, when we start cooking the sauce, it doesn't start to break apart. It will hold its texture. Here we use 1 pack of fresh gata coco mama. It's equivalent to 1 coconut. If you want more sauce, you can use 2 of these, but 1 is enough, as you'll see later. Okay, the potatoes are like partially fried. As long as you fry the outside, it won't break apart when you start cooking it with the sauce. So that's the goal here. I mean, you can fry it longer if you want, but this is good enough for us. Now all the potatoes are gone. We start to flip this. Oh yes, crispy as it is. Ooh, popping. You see, it's pretty crispy now. And then next, we add in the eggplants. This way, it also holds its shape, because when it gets cooked with the sauce, it gets too soft. It might get crushed, and it won't look pleasant. So at least the presentation will still look good once this is a bit fried. Oh, it's getting fried, and it's pretty quick. Eggplants don't really, take too long. So it's about like 3 minutes or 3 to 4 minutes on each side of the fish. But before we get that, we remove the eggplants now. Yep. We don't want this overcooked. Oops, it's falling there. Okay, now the fish next. Drain this, make sure there's no oil. Alright. Ooh, that's a lot of oil. Yes, we still put it in the colander, just to let the oil drip for later. There, now we remove the excess oil. We're gonna use this for sauteing. All the flavor is gonna be there. As you can see, it's the same frying pan. On this, about 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic, and then the onions. This is 2 small or medium onions chopped up. Yes, make sure. And then about a few bits of ginger. If you have a ginger paste, this is like maybe 1 spoon or 1 teaspoon of the ginger paste. That's gonna be good. Yep. Now it's starting to saute really good. It actually smells really good right now. Love the smell right here. Yes, we're gonna deglaze the pan later when we start putting the coconut milk, which is the coco mama. Alright, let me show you what we're using. The Thai red curry paste. This is so good. Alright, this is about equivalent to 1 spoon of Thai red curry paste. There's just 1 spoon right there. Okay. We saute the onions and garlic, everything there, and ginger. Oh, it's starting to smell really, really good right now. Yep. Now here, we just put the heat up. We put the coco mama coconut milk. You can use yogurt, that's also good. But traditionally, the Filipino curry version is we use coconut milk. And I believe the Thai red curry uses coconut milk too. So we let it boil. It's deglazing good. Time for some crushed black pepper. We need a bit more. There. Okay. We'll bring this to a boil. So it's gonna be ready for the rest. And it's interesting, after it getting warmer, it's getting red and red. Now we put about 2 green chili, just for good aroma. But the third one, I'll decide to chop it into 3 pieces, just so it gets more flavor. Yes. Now here, the chopped up red bell peppers. For good aroma, it's gonna be so good. Yeah, mate, trying if you need salt. Bring it to a boil like this. Now it's ready. Yeah, we put the fried tilapia. Oh, it is gonna be so good. There you go. You can actually do this with galunggong. It's gonna be equally good. But of course, I checked the freezer. We had tilapia. I was like, okay, we can fry this good like this. And the 5th one. There you go. Or sorry, the 6th one. Yeah, we're discussing where to put it just to make sure it's all submerged. Yes, and put the potatoes and the eggplants that's fried all together there. Yep. That's suggesting to put some of them out there so it's all submerged good. It's becoming a debate. Sorry about that. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. This smells so good. Put the cover just for 1 to 2 minutes. We don't want the sauce drying up. It's all done now. Ooh, smells so good. Yep, that's all ready. Let me unclip the phone. Let me show you guys up close. Would you look at that? Fried tilapia red Thai curry. Yes. Now I put here the Pyrex. Get the fish first. Get all 6 of them. So we can pour the sauce over it. It's gonna be so good. Here it is. See, the green chili is so good too. Ooh, it's gonna fall. Yep, there you go. This is a must try. This is like so simple, and it's so good. And you're getting tired of chicken curry or a chicken red Thai curry? Fried tilapia curry is really good. Oh yeah, oh that's the delicious part of the sauce right there. Yes sir, looking good, right? Okay, now let's go to the dining table. Oh man, you guys are gonna love this. For lunch or dinner, this is gonna be perfect. The whole family would love it. You gotta try this, guys. Alright? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't so you can check out all the other good stuff here. Alright? Yeah.